It's Nettie again. Okay, what I'm doing now is, as you see, my beautiful, I call it snow plant. I don't know what they call this plant, but it is so gorgeous. When you keep it low and you don't leave it go sky high, it is gorgeous. And there's little ones coming out. The seeds has fallen here and they are like spreading around, as you can see there. This is not coming from the tree. This one is coming from the dirt, but it's connected to the tree. Right here, these that I cut, I had to cut the connection with the tree. As you can see, this one gave me the worst nightmare because it's very hard to cut. You know, it's all the way down in the dirt. So I had to get a real knife to cut it because the scissors wasn't doing with it. So basically, that's what I've been doing. Over there, right there, that plant that you see big there, that plant throws flowers and beautiful flowers, red flowers. I thought I have lost it, but no, it's there. It's gonna have 4 flowers. My plantain is doing pretty good, as you can see right there. They're looking beautiful. I just put some, I call it nutrients, so it could, you know, just grow and look beautiful and give me beautiful, how you call it, plantains. It's not, I don't think this year they're gonna give it. Maybe by the winter time they probably do, because remember, winter here is like 50 degrees. You know, so they could always live over it. So I'm gonna keep finish here, but I'm gonna put at the end of the video, I'm gonna put pictures of what I did, because the thing is I can't hold this and I don't know how to edit too good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I call it here, I'm gonna put a bag with dirt and I'm gonna provoke this little piece to grow. It's the first time I do it, so if it doesn't come out, please don't criticize me. She don't know nothing. This is my first time, but at least I cut it right. So now I got the bag here, I got my scissors, and I'm gonna get their own dirt, where it will feel comfortable because it's their own dirt. So see you in a while. Bye bye. Oh no, God bless you all. Goodbye. I forgot, because I'm not coming back. I'm just gonna throw this video and then show you the pictures as I go on, and then that way you could see exactly what I did. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye. Oh, and remember, please share. I need for you guys to share, because how you call it, I need to move up, you know. Right now I'm going through a lot of problems because I don't even have dirt, you know, for the plants. So I'm trying to improvise, you know, here and there. But I'm not asking for money. I'm just asking for you to share my videos. That's all. Share. God bless you all. Until the next time.